Hey there, I'm Krista Lindstrom. Welcome to this week's edition of Krista's Mortgage Minute. This is a call out to everybody who's watching, who's a mediator or a family law lawyer, or who works in the divorce field. Let me give you a bit of an analogy. Divorce mortgages are complicated. If you send your client back to their bank for something as complicated as a divorce mortgage, it's similar to going to your family doctor for open heart surgery. Specialists can serve you better in this area. Lots of moving parts, and you certainly want a specialist who's done this before in order to help you or your clients out. So let me give you some reasons why a mortgage broker or a divorce mortgage broker can serve your clients better. First of all, were you aware that a mortgage broker can often give a better rate to a client than their own branch can? And the reason for that is wholesale versus retail pricing. So a bank might offer a client a discount of benchmark minus a half. But what the client doesn't know is that the spread is actually maybe 1 full percentage point. So a client doesn't actually know if they're at the bottom of the rate cycle when they are talking to a personal banker, because all banks are interested in making a profit. And that's why banks make millions of dollars in Canada. In the mortgage broker world, we don't play that game, wholesale versus retail. Mortgage brokers work on a wholesale level, and there's no haggling over price. We just tell you what the best discounted rate is. We compare it to all the other lenders that are out there. And if you want that particular rate at that particular lender, we'll offer it to you. No questioning whether you're getting the best rate or not. The other thing that we're really great at is service. So like I mentioned earlier, we do hundreds of divorce mortgages. And because they're so complicated, there's lots of things that are needed, and we can get to the bottom of what's required quickly. The other thing that we can do better is service. We can just move faster because we're specialists in the area. We know exactly what to ask for, we know exactly what to do, and we can make this journey seamless. We can also provide you numbers before the minutes of settlement are signed. So these are all great things from a service standpoint that make this journey go a lot faster. So my recommendation to you as a family law professional is anybody who has a divorce mortgage, refer them to a divorce mortgage specialist before you send them to the bank. We've got lots of clients. So if we actually feel that they're going to be better serviced by their branch, we'll be honest. We'll gladly send them back to the branch, but give them the opportunity to have a great client journey. Thanks so much for watching.